Hi, I'm Alan, and I'm the grower here at Dill's Greenhouse. And today I'm going to show you how we sow seeds. We have a machine here. It's actually just a vacuum machine with a plate. There's 288 holes in the plate. The vacuum will suck the seeds down on each hole, and then we'll turn it upside down on this plug tray. And this plug tray has 288 cells. And so then when we turn the vacuum off, it drops the seed right onto the tray. So this is basil, Genovese basil, so I'll sow 5 of that. Open this. So there's 5,000 seeds in this little pack. Around in here. Make sure the vacuum is on. Then just move this around a little bit. And dump the extra seeds out into the tray holder. Turn this upside down on here. Pressure. Shut the vacuum off. Then we usually give this a little tap. Get the seeds off. And now there are seeds spread around on the tray. If you look real close, you can see them, but it's hard because the seed or basil's dark. Then we take it over here, and this is called vermiculite. So then we take the vermiculite and just spread it over the top of the seeds. Just get a nice even coating on it. And then we set this out on the bench and we water it in and let it grow.